so now we have to add some font. Now looking at our example, okay, we need to have sugar frosted flakes. I'm just going to focus on the frosted flakes and show you, well, maybe the sugar, but we'll see. This will be your logo, which I've already created, which will say STEM. Okay, that's adding an image, which the last video showed you how to do that. Okay, and then I'll show you how to do this in the next video. But here we go. So we're going to go over here to our toolbar and we're going to find the letter T. And we're going to click on our, oops, there we go. Okay, so it's just being a little slow. So you're just going to click over here and it's going to give you another layer. Now I'm just going to drag this layer and delete it because I don't want that layer of font. And I'm going to just type in Frosted Flakes all in cap. Now it's coming up black, that's my fault, but you can just change your text up here. Okay, and then there's a sliding bar here where you can change it and make it bigger. Now if we look at the original, it's on 2 lines. So I'm just going to hit enter. Okay, and there's 2 lines here, and I can hit the center justified, no big deal. All right, and I can get that pretty centered, and now I can make it bigger. Now this is a pretty close font, but if I want to change the font, I have all these different fonts here to try to get it right with the Frosted Flakes brand. Now you guys get to choose whatever you want, but that's how you change fonts. Make sure your font makes sense with your logo. Or your brand, sorry. Now, when I click over here too, this doesn't make any sense, but it's kind of fun. When I clicked on this box, it also gives me ways I can space it. Okay, so the space that I want to, so it will make it smaller. So now that's on top of each other, but I can spread it out a little bit. So if it's too much of a space between, like that was there, you know, see what you can do. And to get it perfect. But that's all I do. I just play around with that, and then when it's still highlighted, it has to be highlighted. You can choose whatever color, and then I can just move the move tool. Now, if I want this layer, okay, this layer is in front of Tony, but if I want Tony to be in front of Frosted Flakes, all I do is I grab my layer 1 and I drag it to the top, and it will now put it on top.